Today, we've got something incredible to talk about: the top 5 automatic shower water pump. If you're tired of those frustrating moments when your shower's water flow is just a trickle, then you're in for a treat. Stick around because we're about to show you how those little devices can solve that problem for good. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. CALLIOPE Shower Water Pump. Kick things off by taking a closer look at this remarkable pump. The CALLIOPE water pump boasts an all-copper motor, ensuring durability and reliability. Plus, it's designed to be ultra-quiet, so say goodbye to annoying pump noises while you shower. That's not all. The pump's discharge diameter is a convenient 15 m, making it a perfect fit for most showers. And it's just as easy on the suction side with another 15 m diameter. The result? A smooth and efficient water flow that you'll love. But wait, there's more. This pump boasts an impressive flow rate of 32 cubic meters per hour and can reach a head of 22 meters. In simpler terms, you'll enjoy a high lift and a large flow of water, making your showers incredibly satisfying. Now, let's talk about power. The CALLIOPE water pump operates at a mere 150 watts, making it energy efficient and cost-effective. It's a win-win for your water pressure and your wallet. Installation is a breeze. There's no need for any punching or complicated setups. Its compact size means you can place it almost anywhere, ensuring it won't take up much space in your bathroom. Here's where it gets even better. The CALLIOPE water pump is designed for ultimate convenience. It seamlessly integrates both manual and automatic operation, allowing you to customize your water pressure just the way you like it. It's as easy as flipping a switch. And for those concerned about safety, this pump operates on DC low voltage, offering excellent protection. You can have peace of mind knowing that your shower experience is not only luxurious, but also secure. So there you have it, folks. The CALLIOPE Automatic Shower Water Pump High Lift, large flow, simple, practical, and oh so convenient. Say goodbye to low water pressure and noisy showers. Number 4. CALLIOPE Shower Water Pump. Feast your eyes on this. The CALLIOPE Automatic Shower Water Pump. It might be small, but it packs a punch. Installing it is an absolute breeze, making it perfect for everyone, from DIY enthusiasts to beginners. Let's dive into the technical details. This water pump boasts a rated power of 150 W, delivering a flow of 1.5 m/h. But here's the kicker: it offers both manual and automatic modes, giving you complete control. With a rated lift of 25 meters, it can pressurize faucets, showers, water heaters, and more. Plus, it operates silently, so you won't even know it's there. Installing the CALLIOPE Automatic Shower Water Pump is a breeze. Even if you're not the handiest person, you'll have no trouble setting it up. Just follow the straightforward instructions, and you'll be enjoying that perfect water pressure in no time. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Say goodbye to weak showers and slow-filling bathtubs. With this pump, you'll experience a refreshing blast of water every time you turn on the faucet. It's a game-changer, especially during those cold winter months when you need hot water fast. Not only does the CALLIOPE water pump work wonders in the bathroom, but it's also fantastic for your kitchen, laundry room, and more. It can handle any task you throw its way, and with a voltage of 24 V and an outlet pressure of 0.2 MP, it's up for any challenge. But don't just take our word for it. Listen to what our satisfied customers have to say. The CALLIOPE water pump saved my morning routine. I used to dread weak showers, but now it's like a spa experience every day. Number 3. AISITIN Shower Water Pump. Alright, let's dive right in. The AISITIN Automatic Shower Water Pump is a game changer. Here's why. First off, it's designed for both manual and automatic integration. Say goodbye to the days when your booster pump refused to kick in due to low water flow. With AISITIN, you're covered. Plus, it's got this nifty Smart Start feature. Just press a button to manually start a 30-minute forced operation, and it'll automatically shut down. No more worrying about forgetting to turn it off. Now, let's talk tech specs. I know some of you love the nitty-gritty details, so here you go. The AISITIN water pump runs on a rated voltage of 24 volts, ensuring efficient and reliable performance. It's also waterproof with an IP65 rating, so it's ready to tackle any bathroom environment. And here's the kicker: low pressure protection. If the water flow gets too low, the pump will automatically stop working, protecting itself from damage. That's peace of mind right there. So there you have it, folks, the AISITIN automatic shower water pump. It's compact, lightweight, and packs a punch where it counts. Say goodbye to feeble shower streams and hello to a consistent, powerful flow every time you step into your shower. Don't miss out on this fantastic solution. Get your AISITIN water pump today and upgrade your shower experience forever. Number 2. YLONDAO Shower Water Pump. Experience peace of mind with the YLONDAO Automatic Booster Pump, designed with your safety and convenience in mind. Safety first. Our booster pump operates on a safe 24 VDC voltage power supply, ensuring that even in the event of a leak, it poses no harm to you or your loved ones. Use it confidently in your home. Manual and automatic integration. Say goodbye to the frustration of booster pumps not starting due to low water flow. Our pump seamlessly integrates manual and automatic modes to tackle this issue effectively. Smart Start? Worried about forgetting to turn off the booster pump? Fear not. With our Smart Start feature, you can manually initiate a 30-minute forced operation, after which it will automatically shut down. No more concerns about leaving it running inadvertently. Versatile performance, YLONDAO's booster pump is suitable for a wide range of applications. It can lift water up to 40 vertical feet, making it ideal for various tasks such as kitchen and garden faucet use. With power options ranging from 60 W to 180 W, it excels in low power, low pressure settings. Low pressure protection. We understand the importance of safeguarding your pump. When the water inlet pressure drops close to zero, our pump will automatically cease operation, ensuring its longevity and protection. Easy installation. Installing the YLONDAO automatic booster pump is a breeze. You'll appreciate the quiet and energy-efficient operation it brings to your home. Plus, the installation process is so straightforward that you can do it yourself with just a wrench, saving you the cost of hiring a plumber. Number 1. KOMAX Shower Water Pump. This incredible piece of technology is designed to revolutionize the way you handle water pressure, whether it's for your shower or garden. Stick around, and we'll tell you all about it. First up, the KOMAX electric shower water pump boasts enhanced performance like no other. With a DC 24V water pressure lift of up to 96 feet, this diaphragm pump retains the low power and pressure settings of the original series. But that's not all. It can also be used in environments that don't require large flow. So whether it's a gentle garden sprinkler or a high-pressure shower, this pump has you covered. We understand that safety is paramount. That's why this pump comes equipped with a built-in adjustable pressure switch that turns on and off at 45 psi. We've made sure it complies with global quality and safety standards, so you can have peace of mind. Safety always comes first with KOMAX. Now, let's talk about versatility. The KOMAX electric shower water pump isn't just for showers. It can be used in garden sprinklers for spraying pesticides, fertilizers, and insect sprays. It's a game changer for all your outdoor needs. From maintaining your garden to keeping pests at bay, this pump does it all. What's more, it operates silently, saving you from any unwanted noise pollution. Plus, it's incredibly energy efficient, ensuring a more comfortable environment for you and your family members. And here's the best part, it's easy to install. You won't need to call a plumber. Just grab a wrench and you're good to go.